Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the lake on a beautiful day checking out a 2014 Regal 1900 ES. So this is one of our few used options that we have here at MarineMax Lake Wylie. So you can see starting up here in the bow, you got nice seating, loungers with backrest, and some dedicated anchor storage under this seat up here. Nice handrails as well, hold on while you're underway up here in the bow. Moving on back a little bit, you can see we do have this nice curved windshield along the side of the boat with a tint that, lets you keep the sun out of your eyes. You can look through that. Looks really sleek on this boat, especially with the black on the outside. Moving on back in a little bit, over here on the port side, you do have a locking glove compartment. Lots of space in there. You can keep your phone, wallet, keys, anything you want to keep dry 100% while you're out on the water. It's a good spot for that. Then over here at the helm, we got a nice big steering wheel with some analog gauges all along the dash here, as well as your switches. Control some of your accessories, lights, bilge pump, horn, whatnot. Then this boat is equipped with some Linco trim tabs, so that's a really nice feature on this boat. Make sure you have the best ride while you're out on the water, no matter what body of water you're on. Then you can see we do have two very nice full swivel captain's chairs on here. Allows for a comfortable ride when you're riding in the cockpit underway. And then this boat does have some aftermarket kicker speakers all throughout the cockpit here. Moving on back a little bit more, you can see you've got this lounger back here with some cooler storage underneath there. And then up under here, you've got your Mercruiser 4.5 V6. So it's a lot of power for 19 feet. Definitely be able to go just as fast as you want to. This stepway up here does have these removable cushions, so you can take those off and expose that non-skid. It's a pretty cool feature for this Regal here. And on the back, you've got a nice big swim platform you can hang out on, swim up to. It's also where your tow hook is if you want to do any tubing or skiing back there. This bimini right here is an awesome feature as well. Stretches about just to the front of the windshield here, so that way if you're out on a real hot sunny day, you can take advantage of getting some shade all in this cockpit area here. If you got any questions about this boat or anything else we have to offer at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.